So in today's 5-Minute Friday, we're going to show how, as long as you have an internet connection, you can edit on any device. Not only can you edit on any device, but you can switch between those devices during the edit. So let's start on a PC, and we're going to create a map component, which we're going to place over this commercial area here. We're going to give the map a name, and then we're going to change the shape into more of a circular type of shape, just so that you can see what this looks like when we switch over to the mobile device. Then when we switch across to the mobile device, you can see that the plan we created already exists, and you can edit that plan by clicking on the 3 dots and selecting Edit Plan. Initially, when you switch to a mobile device, the plan will be locked, but you can unlock it by clicking on the little padlock. Now I'm going to make some changes to this plan, such as changing the direction and maybe adding some additional points by clicking on the little plus signs and moving things around. And then when we jump back into the web app, you can see that the changes that we made, including the changes to the shape and the flight direction, have all been fully synchronized. This happens fairly quickly, so you can feel free to move to whichever device you feel gives you the best editing experience. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found that useful. As always, feel free to leave any questions. And if you found this helpful, feel free to share this with somebody that might also benefit from it. Until the next video, goodbye.